Hello everyone, my name is Adele Michael Bushra and the topic that I am going to discuss today is all about grouting materials. Grouting is a critical construction process that helps increase the structural integrity, stability, and the durability of various construction elements. It involves filling gaps, voids, or spaces between surfaces with fluid materials, creating a tight, durable bond that enhances the overall strength and performance of the structure. What is grouting in construction? Grouting, in the context of construction, is a specialized process that involves injecting a fluid-like materials into gaps, voids, or spaces within structures. Its purpose is to improve structural integrity, enhances load-bearing capacity, and provide stability to various elements of construction project. By filling these gaps, grouting prevents the accumulation of water, air, or debris which could otherwise weaken the structure over time. There are different types of grouting, which is chemical grouting, cement grouting, structural grouting, bentonite grouting, bituminous grouting, and resin grouting. So, let's discuss this one by one. Cement grouting is commonly used grouting materials and is typically used for soil stabilization and structure leveling. It is one of the most common types and involves the injection of a mixture of cement, water, and sometimes sand into gaps. It hardens over time, forming a strong and stable band. The materials form a compact mass after hardening, providing additional support and strength to the construction. Chemical grouting. In this specific chemical compounds, such as polyurethane or acrylic, are injected into voids. These chemicals expand upon the contact, filling gaps and sealing against water infiltration. This type of grout is particularly useful for waterproofing, soil stabilization, and repairing underground structures. Structural grouting. This type focuses on creating a solid connection between structural components such as columns and beams. Epoxy grout, a type of structural grout, offers exceptional strength and durability. It's commonly used to anchor bolts, reinforce concrete elements in high stress areas, and for filling cracks or gaps. Bentonite grouting. This type of materials employs a mixture of bentonite clay and water to form a gel-like substance. It is a popular choice for sealing walls and boreholes due to its swelling properties as it expands when interacting with water, effectively sealing off cavities. This type of grout is often used for sealing and stabilizing soil, preventing water penetration and reducing potential ground movement. Bituminous grouting. This involves the use of bituminous compounds, which help seals and waterproofs roof, foundation, and basement structures, providing excellent water resistance. It provides excellent durability and resistance against UV radiation and harsh weather conditions. This type of grout is used in scenarios where water penetration needs to be minimized, such as tunnels and underground structures. Resin grouting. This type of material utilizes epoxy, polyurethane, or other liquid resins that hardens to form strong bond when cured. These resins offer high tensile strength, making them suitable for a range of applications. It is often used in repairing cracks in concrete due to its excellent adhesive properties and strength. So here are the advantages of grouting in construction. First, enhanced structural stability, leak prevention, increased load-bearing capacity, corrosion resistance, soil stabilization, sealing of cavities, and structural repair. So, in conclusion, by understanding what is grouting in construction, we realizes that it is a crucial because it enhances the stability, strength, and durability of structure in constructions. That's all. Thank you.